Browser hijackers are unwanted programs infamous for their ability to display advertisements, banners, pop-up windows, and also take over your default homepage in web browser. In many cases, the goal of the browser hijacker's authors is to generate revenue from the sponsored ads. Laddleoser.com is a website that is associated with such a browser hijacker. Among the other potential security issues associated with a browser hijacker is the possibility to be redirected to an unvetted site that may lead to other potentially unwanted programs. Users experiencing browser hijacking also report being redirected to sites that attempt to collect personal information via scams that include fake surveys. Should you have a browser hijacker like the one associated with Laddleoser.com installed on your computer, you should prioritize immediate removal of the browser hijacker before solving any other potential computer issues. Other users experiencing browser hijacking report a sluggish, unresponsive, or unstable web browser just before the system repeatedly crashes. Above all, you should exercise caution when handling any bundled software that contains programs you actually want. The issue with bundled software is that it could bring in other programs you do not need. Thus, make sure to select the custom or advanced installation option to ensure you only choose to install the programs you actually want. How to protect yourself from browser hijackers. To protect yourself from any potential security problems as a result of the presence of a browser hijacker, like the one associated with Laddleoser.com, you should have a reputable malware remediation tool installed on your computer. Additionally, exercise caution when installing software and avoid less than reputable websites that offer free programs. You know, as I think about the dangers that exist online, not unlike the subjects we learned about in this video, I know I feel a lot better having an anti-malware program like SpyHunter installed in my PC, providing me the protection I need against malware, and I think you should too. SpyHunter 5's strongest features are found in its malware repair capabilities. SpyHunter 5's remediation algorithms dive deep into your system to remove and address complex malware issues affecting PCs today. While many anti-malware products only flag and quarantine malware and ultimately fail to fully remediate the root problem, the SpyHunter 5 remediation algorithm detects, quarantines, and programmatically repairs malware problems on your PC. SpyHunter 5 is a powerful PC utility that repairs malware threats in many cases where other competing anti-malware and antivirus programs may fail. To detect and remove malware for free, go to enigmasoftware.com and download SpyHunter today. Thanks for watching.